Today we'll talk about how can you disable lock screen on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on library down here. So then it's going to take you to your library. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to lock screen, click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's going to smell lock screen disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are great. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.